When you hear the word blizzard, it's easy to think it simply means heavy snow, but that's not actually the case. A blizzard is defined by wind and visibility, not snowfall totals. To officially meet blizzard criteria, we need sustained winds or frequent gusts of at least 35 miles per hour and visibility reduced to a quarter mile or less for 3 consecutive hours or more. That reduced visibility usually comes from blowing and drifting snow, not necessarily heavy snow falling from the sky. And that's why blizzard warnings are extremely rare here in Hampton Roads. In fact, the last time parts of our area saw a blizzard warning was back in 2022 along the eastern shore. And before that, you got to go all the way back to 2018 for the south side, northeast North Carolina, and parts of the peninsula. Our typical storms just don't combine strong enough winds with long-lasting whiteout conditions. So when a blizzard warning is issued in this part of the country, it's kind of a big deal. And it means dangerous travel conditions are likely, even if snow totals don't look extreme. That's why we always stress impacts over inches, because blizzards, visibility, and wind are the real hazards.